In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spam snaps on Snapchat. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned user, you'll find this guide clear and easy to follow. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into Snapchat using your credentials. If it's your first encounter with Snapchat, don't worry, simply tap on the option to create an account, and then just follow the simple on-screen instructions. Once you're set up and logged in, you're ready to dive into the Snapchat world. You might be wondering, why would anyone want to spam snaps? Well, there are a few reasons people choose to do this. One common reason is to grab someone's attention, especially if you feel your engagements are dwindling or they aren't quite responsive. Another reason might be to keep something at the forefront of your friends' minds, like an event, a product, or your social media account, ensuring it remains the topic of conversation. Sometimes, it's just for a bit of fun, sending rapid, funny, or entertaining content to make your friends crack a smile. But remember, it's crucial to be considerate when engaging in this behavior, as not everyone appreciates having their inbox flooded. Now, let's talk about how you can do this easily. Start by opening your Snapchat app. This might be on your mobile device or anywhere you generally log in. Next, what you'll want to do is head over to your Story or Snaps section. For an easy demonstration, I'll switch to my mobile device screen. Once you're inside Snapchat, you need to decide what kind of content you wish to spam. For simplicity, let's say you want to repeatedly send an emoji like a ninja emoji, for instance. Select the icon of your choice, and it's as simple as adding it to your story. Click where it prompts you to create a snap or story. Find your chosen content. This could be a saved photo, a video, or in our case, an emoji. Now, tap on it to add it not just to your story but to directly send it to your friends. Here's where the spamming begins. You can opt to send this content to a large number of your friends or even make it public if that suits your purpose. Each time it is opened, it contributes to increasing your Snapchat score, a little added bonus to your spamming activity. And there you have it, the most straightforward, fastest way to send multiple snap messages rapidly on Snapchat. A word of caution, while this can be tempting and fun, always ensure your actions aren't intrusive or annoying to others. Use this technique wisely, and you'll be able to communicate your message effectively on Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping!